Hello, today is April 8, 2026 and today I'm checking my strawberry since I plant them and putting a mulch. So this is the result of my strawberry and I found a ripe strawberry. So this is one plant and we check, this is the strawberry. So this is our strawberry. It's ripe already. So and that way, this is the row for my strawberry. There's another one right here. This is going to the love roots. Another one here. Another one right here. So strawberry and this one also. That's strawberry plant, and that's a ripe one. It's a strawberry, ripe strawberry. This is gonna coming soon too. Oh, this is not ripe. This is a ripe one. That's a strawberry. This is the flowers of the strawberry right here. And that's gonna be the cluster. Another one right here. So we see like these. So hello, today is April 9, 2026. And today I'm gonna harvest my strawberry because yesterday I found it's ripe already. So now today we're gonna harvest some strawberry. So this is our strawberry right here. Right here. So we're gonna harvest strawberry. This is our strawberry that we're gonna get right here. So this is our strawberry. A strawberry that we have. See this one. So we're gonna harvest this and put it in this bowl here. So I just this one, another one. And we have another one right here. So we have another one right here. The small one right here. So a nice small one. So we have only three for now. We have only three for now to harvest because everything is still young. And this is my strawberry patch right here. Remember this? 3 weeks, like February something. I'm not sure what it is, but it's February. I put mulching my strawberry. This is my patch. So this is my patch for my strawberry right here, right there. So that's my garden here for my strawberry. So it's really big, the strawberry right here. See, it's big. Have a lot of fruits. Have a lot of fruits right here. So now we're gonna test our strawberry. So I have some water here that I bring and we're gonna taste it in my strawberry. So our strawberry is this one. I already picked it up. So we're gonna try this one. So this one, and then I'm gonna clean it with water. I bring some water to clean because this is in the ground, so We're gonna try. See how juicy it is. Very soft. Nope. Very soft. That's from the wort, but this is from the strawberry right here. So it's very juicy. It's very good. That's all for today. I'm just happy that I harvest my strawberry patch, and this one we're gonna bring it home because this beginning, but everything is a lot already. See, this one have strawberry right here, so they like in the shade area, so I plant here in the shade area. Under here is a big tree because we live in the south. If I put in the full sun, then it will not grow strawberry. It's heat. They don't like tolerate heat, so heat weather. But in the north they can plant in the full sun, but in the south I learn that I need to plant in the shade area. So that's all. Bye.